excited to welcome you all to our very first workshop. And my name is Arnav Venkatesh, and I'm the tech lead here at Celesta.
I'm Sumant. I am in class 11th right now, and as Arnav told, these are my achievements. So, astronomy is considered as the oldest natural science that exists. Astronomy is the study of the universe and everything beyond the Earth's atmosphere, including planets, stars, galaxies, nebulae, clusters of stars, and everything in the. So this is the Stellarium software. We can see there are a lot of things in this. We can see all the constellations, the deep sky objects, the planets, moons, sun, etc. So let's start with the zodiac constellations.
Hello all, this is Samrita, the Secretary of Celesta Club, and I warmly welcome all of the participants here today to attend our workshop. Today, we are going to explore how humanity captured something once thought impossible, the first image of a black hole. What we can capture is the light from the hot gas swirling around it, outlining its dark shadow.
You can use this website. It is a telescope simulator where you can input your diameter of the telescope. Let's say diameter of my telescope is 130 mm, and I want to see Andromeda from my telescope. So it would look something like this.